Welcome to my channel. Changing Ring 2 doorbell to a different Wi-Fi SSID. 1. Disconnect your Ring doorbell 2 by removing the battery. 2. Go to the Ring app, Settings-a Device Settings-a General Settings. 3. Below the button that says, Remove this device, should be one that says, Reconnect to Wi-Fi. It's really frustrating because it does not always appear there. For, if it does not appear, then you may need to bring your doorbell closer to your router and put the battery until it starts up and take the battery out again. 5. Press Reconnect to Wi-Fi, then put the battery back it. The app says something like, Reconnect to same network or choose a different one. 6. Choose the new Wi-Fi SSID. If all this fails, I believe you can delete the doorbell from the app and do a hard reset on the doorbell by pressing the little button under the cover or 20 seconds. Then set the doorbell up again, this time using the new Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching.